Hi guys, let me show you how to make delicious kebab with chicken gizzards. Let's get straight into the video. This is Obi Kitchen and you're welcome to my channel. I have a pot on the fire and I've washed my gizzard and transfer into the pot. Then I will spice it up. Curry, ginger, thyme, seasoning, rosemary, and some salt to taste with shredded onions. Then I will cook the gizzard till soft and tender. This is garlic ginger paste. I'll add some water, enough to cook the gizzard until soft and tender. I'll give it a stir and cover. Cook till soft and tender. When the gizzard is fully cooked, I'll strain off the stock, then set the gizzard aside. Then start cutting them into smaller sizes. I'll cut all into smaller sizes. For this recipe, we need them in pieces. Then I'll be needing some skewers, onion, pepper, and cucumber. So after cutting it, I'll set it aside. I have a pan on the fire. I'll add some butter. I'll be stir frying the gizzards now. So I'll go in with the gizzard into the fry pan and stir fry for a few minutes. Into the pan, I'll add some seasoning powder, dark soy sauce, and give it a gentle stir. Then add little quantity of mayonnaise into it. And keep stir frying. I'll be giving it a stir until everything melts into the gizzards. The gizzard will absorb all the goodness from the butter and the mayonnaise. When I'm done stir frying, I'll transfer the gizzard into a bowl and set it aside to cool off. While waiting for the gizzard to get cold, I will go ahead and prepare other ingredients. The gizzard is cold and ready now. I'll add some chili flakes, barbecue sauce, ginger and garlic paste. I'll be marinating the gizzard with the pepper flakes, barbecue sauce, and the ginger paste. I'll marinate and let it sit for 20 minutes before the next stage. I bet you this is the most delicious kebab you ever taste. A little more salt. Then after marinating, I'll just set it aside and get the other things ready, such as skewers, then the pepper, onion, and cucumber. Then I'll start the next stage. So what you practically do is get a skewer, pass it through the gizzard, little gizzard, 2 gizzards at a time, then 1 pepper, piece of pepper, another gizzard, then cucumber, more gizzard, and an onion piece. So you continue doing this until you are done with the whole gizzards. After arranging this, we'll transfer it into the grill or oven. You can transfer into your oven or use your grill. It will give you the same result. Then we'll grill them and voila, you have a perfect, yummy, delicious kebab. Delicious gizzard kebab. The best you have ever tasted. If you like my recipes, please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. If you love cooking, please always tune into this channel because I have loads of interesting food recipes coming your way. Thank you to my returning subscribers, and thank you to everyone who finds time to watch my videos. I love you guys. Thank you so much. When I'm done with the skewer, I'll just transfer into my grill for 15 minutes. And it is ready. So I'm done now. It's out of the grill. It's 15 minutes already. My gizzard kebab is out and ready to be enjoyed. You can see how beautiful it looks, and it tastes absolutely delicious. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video.